Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce chips. We'll start by gathering a few common items from your pantry. Then, I'll show you how to create a zesty coating that will infuse your chips with incredible flavor. Finally, we'll cover the quick baking process to achieve that perfect crispy texture. Get ready to elevate your snack game with this easy guide. To begin, grab a large bag of your preferred plain potato chips. Classic salted works wonderfully. Next, choose a hot sauce that matches your desired spice level, whether mild or extra fiery. You'll also need about 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, to help the coating adhere. For extra flavor, consider a pinch of garlic powder or paprika. Now, let's create that amazing coating. In a large bowl, whisk together your chosen hot sauce, the 2 tablespoons of oil, and any optional seasonings until well combined. Then, add your plain potato chips to the bowl. Gently toss them using a spatula or your hands, ensuring every single chip is lightly and evenly coated with the spicy mixture. Be careful not to break them. Finally, it's time to bake. Spread your coated chips in a single layer on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are crispy and dry. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on the sheet. This ensures maximum crispness before you enjoy your delicious hot sauce chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.